Hello friends, today we'll learn two types of flowers, triangular flower and fan folding flower. For triangular flower, you need a circle with diameter 9.5 inches. So now take a circle of 9.5 diameter. Now you have to cut edges with equal intervals. The gap should be equal, and there will be approximately 8 to 9 cuts in a circle, a 9.5 inch circle, and you have to cut them approximately 3 to 3.5 inches cut. Now with every cut you have to use the stapler. With every cut you have to make a triangle like this, and you have to staple it. This is the back side. Be careful, as you have to take the center of the cut and make a triangle with it. Like this. Now you have to make all triangles with all the cuts. So we do it fast. Yeah, like this. So now this is the last one. Now we got our triangular flower, and now for the center, put some hot glue gun. And I'm taking black center. You can take any center. I'm taking circle center, black, and paste it. Our flower is ready. So you can make different colors of flowers. I have maroon one, the yellow one. You can use different colors of centers also. Done. Now next we start with the. Now for this, as it's Independence Day, we'll take tricolor flower. So we'll take 3 color strips: green, orange and white one. And the center we take blue center. So we take 2 circles, 2 blue circles. So now let's start. And this is the scoreboard which we use. Now I have taken the pastel sheets full one strip, and the length of the strip, the width is 3.5 inches. So the white one is also 3.5 inches. Then again orange one with 3.5 inches, and the same green one with 3.5 inches. And it's as a pastel sheet stripe, so I'll cut it as per my requirement. So I'm taking approximately 18 inches of length. Now we use our scoreboard. Take green one, and you have to score them at 1 inches. At 1 inches we have to score, like from 1. If it's clear, I guess, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Similarly we'll do with full strip. This is the extra part, I'm cutting it. Same we have to do with white strip. This again the extra part I'm cutting. Now we'll take the last strip, orange one. We again score it with the 1 inch gap. Now we got all the 3 strips. We have to fold them in a fan fold way. Okay, one up and down like this. Make it crease well. After scoring you will get it very nicely. All the 3 strips we have to do it and press them nicely so that we'll get a proper crease to make our flower look nice and neat like this. And then the third one. All 3 strips are ready. Now we have to stick them together, one over the another one. So we'll put some hot glue and join them. Green and white and yellow. As yellow in front side is of orange and the back side is of white, so you have to be careful that orange should look in the front. So we'll put it upside. And when you paste, just try that on scoring only you will put like 1 inches on 1 inches only, so that we'll get a proper crease there. Otherwise the bend will not come clearly. Now we have to see what will come. Put all of them together. We have to stick the green one and orange one also, but just see like how we'll get a fan like this. So let's stick them. We'll stick green and yellow one again. Yeah, the last strip. Okay, as I told you, the orange should come in front upside. So now we are sticking that. Now we have to hold them together from the crease like this. Put them together so that we'll get a proper scoring and the proper bending of the flower like this. Now we have to open the flower. Yes, like this. Now to stick them, we'll put some hot glue gun in the center. You can use Fevicol also, but I'm using hot glue gun as it saves our time also. And as in the center we have 2 blue circles, so one I'll put here, blue circle. Yes, and let it dry for a while. In the second blue circle we have to paste at the back side, so let's complete it. Yeah, at the back side again we put some glue so that they'll stick together, and when we use it for decoration then it will not go here and there. Otherwise sometimes it happens that our crease, these binds get open, so we have to put a lot of glue or Fevicol here so that it gets stick here properly. Yes, like this. You can paste it with tape also, or you can use a ribbon from the center to hang it on the wall or somewhere. So this is the flower which we done, and the another one flower I also showed to you. Wait, yeah, this one, the another one. Hope you enjoyed the video, and these are all the other flowers. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for the video. Thank you.